Welcome to InfoComm 2026. My name is Peter Sagai. I'm the Video Infrastructure Sales Manager here at Riedel Communications. And today I wanted to show you a little bit about MediorNet. So today we're showing our whole MediorNet and video infrastructure solution here at Riedel. We have our Micron Standard, which is our SDI TDM router that allows you to do 12 by 12 3G routing over fiber. We also have our Micron UHD that allows you to do 16 by 16 with an additional 16 configurable HD BNC ports here, mini BNC ports, sorry, with a 100 gig fiber backplane as well. We also have solutions that allow you to go into the 2110 world with our Horizon solution here that allows both ST2110 to SDI gateway conversion, as well as links back into our Micron TDM solution for a seamless TDM 2110 workflow, as well as 400 gig QSFP ports that allow full 2110 input sources as well. We're also showing our Virtue 32 platform here with our Riedel SFPs with smart logic on it that allow us to do extra processing, whether that be up-down cross or 2110 to SDI conversion, all on an SFP chip that can fit into a switch. Please visit us at www.riedel.net for more information.